I'm a goddamn individual. Sense of self makes me indivisible. With a flow that's so irresistible. And I've been running this like an elliptical. Inimitable in my physical. Habitual is inexplicable.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. Today I'm actually going to be doing the giveaway winner announcement. So this time I'm going to do it on camera, and just an FYI, if you did enter in this contest, just know this will be on a first come first basis. So even if multiple people did choose the same number, it'll go to the first person who picked that number first. I'll be reaching out to the winners, just asking for your Instagram name for confirmation, because as I said, if you didn't follow the rules of the giveaway, then unfortunately you're not going to be able to win. So just keep that in mind. I'm going to be using the randomizer app to just pick the numbers. I did write the winners on a piece of paper, so I just know when a right number is selected, just because it's going to be a lot of options. So as you can see, it just allows me to enter the numbers in there. So we're going to do 100 to 250. So I don't see 187 on there. Next number is 250, which I don't see on here. Next number, 123. So actually I do see 123, so this is going to go to LLSE Reyes de Bell. So she will be the first winner. Yay. Okay, so number 123, if you could just comment and give me your information. Just confirm with me what your Instagram name is so I can make sure that you are following the Instagram. So the next number is 206. And I don't think I see 206. Next number, 188. I don't see 188. Next number, 138. I don't see 138 either. Next number, 197. I don't see that. That's why this is kind of hard to do, because since I didn't get a ridiculous amount of entries, the randomizer makes it sort of harder for the number to come up. So it looks like we're going to be at this for a little bit. Next number is 124. And I don't see that either. Come on. 248. I don't see that one. 169. I don't see that one either. 167. This is like bingo, you guys. I don't see that. 166. Come on. How random are you? What are you doing? I don't see that either. Come on, let somebody else win. Can we like get this number over with? 188. Don't see that. 121. I don't see that. This is crazy right now. I feel like it's pulling up the same numbers. 128 once again. 157. This is taking a lot more time than I thought it would. That's why last time I did it off camera, because it ended up taking a good amount of time, but not as much time as it's taking this time. Yeah, I don't see this one either. 180. Oh, wait. There is one person who picked 180. Vajira's mom, you win. So the winners are number 123, LLSC Raise the Bell. Just send me your Instagram information so I can confirm your following. And also Vajira's mom, which is the winner for number 180. And other people didn't pick these numbers as well, so we don't have to deal with anybody claiming that they picked the number first or whatever, because I see these are the only people who picked 123 and 180. So like I said, I just have to confirm they follow my Instagram to make sure you guys follow the rules, because if not, then I'm sorry, you'd be disqualified now to pick a different person. Just because I did it different. I know everybody doesn't have Instagram, but last time I did do it specifically just for YouTube, and this time I added on Instagram because I just wanted to change it up a little bit. So I just think it'd be fair if you followed all the rules, because I don't want to give it to somebody who didn't follow all the rules, just because I feel like that'd be kind of messed up for the people who did follow all the rules. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that was it. Congratulations on winning the giveaway, and if you guys didn't win, don't be frustrated. As you saw, I do these randomizers, so it's kind of, it's kind of sucky since you gotta wait for me to pick your number, but it's not, you know what I mean? It's not like I'm playing games over here or something. But I think I'm actually gonna do something a little bit different next time. I'm not sure exactly what I should do, but this randomizer thing seems like it takes too much time, so I feel like I'm gonna go a different route next time. But the next giveaway will be when I hit 300, and I'm on my way there, just moving up. And I just want to thank everybody here for just being so supportive, so positive, commenting, liking my videos, and just I don't know, just giving me those good vibes and the good energy. So thank you again, and I hope to see you soon. And just stay tuned for my reviews and my giveaways. And I'm also going to be doing some clothing hauls coming up. So I hope you guys are interested in that. Thank you. Bye.